Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have exciting news to tell you guys. I have recently become an BodyWorks ambassador. So they're sending me some products and I get to showcase them for you guys and give you my honest thoughts and opinions, show you how I use it to style and just little things like that. So I'm super excited because this is such a big opportunity for a small hair YouTuber like me. So I'm just really excited to start this journey. Like, I'm so excited. So my first box has arrived. And it's so cute, like it has flower, like leaves on it. It's very springy. And this is the Papaya and Castor oil line. So when you open it, you get all of this. And then there's a card. Hold on, let me get it. So the first thing in the box is the Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser. And I really love this cleanser in place of like a shampoo because I feel like it really cleans my scalp, but it doesn't like make my hair super stripped and feel just like that dry, brittle feeling that you normally feel after you shampoo your hair. And I just bring it down my entire scalp. And this box also comes with a scalp massager, which I've been using a scalp massager, just not this one. I've been using this rinky-dink one I got from Walmart for $1, and I really love this one. The things are silicone, so it feels really good on your hair when you're massaging it, versus this one, which is like plastic and like super hard and cheap, which I mean it did the job, but this one is way better and I would recommend this one over this one. You can tell which one is better quality. The next item, which was kind of interesting for me, I was very skeptical at first because I've never used a product like this, is their foam conditioner. So it does come out in a foam. So when I do my wash and go, I'm only gonna use the cleanser and then I'm gonna get out the shower and then continue the rest of my wash and go from there. So that's a different step, but it's not that bad. And I just like the consistency. It's kind of fun. It's a little different than what you normally would do. Next thing in here is a massaging scalp serum. This line is very focused on the scalp in my opinion, which is a good thing because you know your hair is growing out of your scalp. So if you don't have a nice, clean, healthy scalp, then your hair growth journey isn't going to be what you want it to be. Personally, I think caring for your scalp is very important, making sure you're doing frequent scalp massages and cleansing your scalp and moisturizing your scalp. So this scalp massaging serum, I really like this too. I love the smell of this whole line. It all smells the same obviously, but it just smells very fruity, tropical, very ready for spring. My brother already, he has dreads. He was like, can I get that? Like, I want that, like I need that, Dominique. And I'm just like, no, like this is mine. The next thing is the conditioning hair dress. So this product is interesting because it has a different consistency. You're actually supposed to melt it in your hands. So like, as you can see, it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's almost, it just has like a body scrub, like a scrub type of consistency versus like a normal like creamy consistency. So you have to melt it in your hands before application, which I don't mind. It's something different. And it's very nourishing like for your hair and stuff like that. And then the last product was the Nourishing Curl Jam. So I was skeptical about this product in the beginning because I normally like my curl creams to be a lot thicker, but I was pleasantly surprised, like it still got my hair nice and curly and stuff like that. So now that I've given you the rundown of all the products, I'm gonna go take a shower, use the scalp cleanser and massager, and then I'm gonna come back and proceed with the rest of the products and show you how I use the Papaya Castor Oil line to complete my wash day. Okay, so I'm fresh out the shower. Whenever I do my wash and goes, I like to section my hair off so I can just work with that section and then move on to the next section. So I have 5 sections. So I'm gonna first start off with the massaging serum. So I'm just gonna put it directly onto my scalp. And using my hands, I'm gonna rub it in. Just giving myself probably like a 30-second massage to just really get it in there and just help promote that growth. After that step, I'm gonna take my Demon brush and detangle. And it doesn't take that much because I already detangled when I was in the shower. Then using the foaming conditioner, I'm gonna take probably like 4 pumps. It says generously apply on damp hair, so I think 4 pumps is kind of generous. I'm gonna take that and rub it. And I like to do it until my hair feels like it's soaked, because then I know that each product, or that each strand of hair has really gotten the product. Then I detangle again. Then I'm gonna move on to the conditioning hair gel, which says it's to nourish and strengthen the hair shaft and also to add shine. So this is the product I was talking about that you have to moisturize in your hands. So I take probably like a dime size amount, put it in my hands and just moisturize it. Put it in my hands and warm it up, and then you can see it just disappears into a nice, it almost feels like maybe Vaseline, like that type of consistency, and it's nice and ready to go. And then I'm gonna put that throughout my hair. And because I like my wash and goes nice and shiny, I'm gonna do that, brush through it, and then go in a second time. And then comb it through one more time. And the key to me getting my most defined wash and goes is using my Denman brush and making sure that the product gets evenly distributed from root to tip, because I really want to make sure that every single product is in the hair. And then lastly, I'm going to use the Nourishing Curl Jam to curl my hair. And today I'm going to be finger coiling. So I'm going to split this section into two and just work with one section since I'm going to be finger coiling. The curl cream, the curl jam. Put it through on my hair. Detangle again. And then get a little more. And then I'm gonna start finger coiling. So it might seem like I do a lot of steps, but it really doesn't take that long at all, especially once you get the hang of it. And then you just grab, spin, grab, spin around your finger a couple times. And I can do my whole hair, my whole head in like maybe 45 minutes. So it really doesn't take that long at all. And then the smaller you section it off, the more voluminous your wash and go is gonna look at the end. So if you have the time, the smaller the better. Of the first section, and you can see it looks very shiny, very defined, and I'm loving the way my curls are looking. So I'm just going to repeat this process throughout my entire head so you guys can really see it's not that difficult to accomplish this style. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I already diffused my hair. It is 100% dry. All the products are in and it's looking really good. As you can see, my curls look bomb, very defined. You can see each little ringlet, nice bounce back. And I'm just loving this line. I really like doing the review after the second time that I've tried these products out because I really got a feel for the products. I knew which ones I wanted to use more of, which ones I wanted to use less of, and I felt like I really knew how I wanted to use the products, so I had the best wash and go possible. My favorite product out of the whole line is, I think, what is this one? No, not this one. Is the conditioning hair dress. This is the one that is that I said was kind of like a body scrub, and once you rub it in your hands are just super, like my hands right now are very soft because but I just really liked how it was a different type of product. I don't have any products like that, and I felt like I really had a lot of control over the product since it wasn't like a liquid form and I was just like spraying it everywhere and just, you know, going crazy. So I really like that application method. And if you guys want to try any of the products that I mentioned below, I'm going to put my code on the screen and you guys can go to edenbodyworks.com and check out. If you do get anything or you do watch this video and you're inspired, definitely tag me on Instagram at DEDEBAKE. I'm gonna put that on the screen as well. And I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.